Hello and welcome to our channel. We're so excited for this wonderful moment. This is educational classics. I'm so excited. This channel gives me a lot of positive energy and I should really appreciate that. We are moving. This is part 2 of making how to enroll and make money online with our BA Honors Business Management offered for you. Almost free. Okay? So I'm so excited really. Before I move on, let me say that yes, how to enroll and make money online with our business management online degree. Everything is online. And we are going to help you to enroll, give you all the enrolling link for free. Everything is almost free. And also the full package is that we are going to teach you how, after we have given you the free scholarship, the free link, and the enrollment free, we are teaching you how to make money again with the same course. Is that not amazing? It is so amazing. Okay, so amazing. So let me appreciate the company that I'm working for, the Modern Online Businesses, for coming up with such a wonderful positive energy information. They've compiled this information in a very wonderful, unique way for unique people like yourself, and I really appreciate them. So what do we do in our company? We also create or craft business proposals for you, profiles, portfolios, and AI-powered marketing publications for different brands. So we have an AI released for this year, 2023, which specializes in marketing publications. And we can do that job for you. If you need a link for it, I can also put a link for it, but we will appreciate if we are the ones doing it for you. So please just drop us an email. We will really make sure we help you. Okay? So we are Modern Online Businesses driving business growth in the digital era. That's who we are. Special thanks to freepicturesdownload.com and our sponsors and our partners. We really appreciate all those for being part of us, helping us to download some of the emojis from them, and we appreciate them so much. Special welcome to a special candidate like you, our viewers, our subscribers. We appreciate you so much. Please feel at home. In this channel, there are many seats. There are so many seats. If it was not so, I could have told you. But there are so many seats. Please, we made for the better. Take your seat. You take your seat by doing what? Subscribe. Take your seat. Vote yourself in. Just hit that subscription button. That's all. And also share our videos, like, and positively comment. We appreciate you so much. Please feel welcome. We celebrate you. We appreciate you. You are special to us. You are one of us. Because in this world, the world exists, businesses exist, schools exist. Because of who? Because of people. Because of people like you. Because of people like me. That's why businesses are there. Because of people. If one day we find there's no person, then it means your business will shut down automatically. Okay? So that's why we celebrate you. We thank you so much for you to be here. Okay, as I said, we are going to be looking at how you can enroll and make money online with our BA Honors Business Management degree. It is online. So I'll start by saying, are you tired of your 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of flexible lifestyle where you can work from anywhere in the world and take control of your financial destiny? Look no further. Because I've gone through this journey. I've gone through it. Whereby every day I'm driving through the traffic. By the time I reach work, I feel like, oh, it's like I can rest. But mind you, there are so many work that is waiting for me there. And as if it is not enough, I have to go home again through the same traffic. Oh my God. But now, I've decided to take hold of my financial destiny. Yes, I found out that no, after 15 years, I felt it was enough. Then I can do my online businesses. So now I'm here to help you. Yes, because life is all about people. Our BA Honors Business Management degree, with it, you find the opportunities you can find all the opportunities to unlock the world of creative online possibilities. Yes, you move from one stage to another with this online business management. Business management, guys, is one of those cream. It's one of those which when we have done it, I want to tell you, in this world, if we have in the category, if you have done business management, if you have done IT course, no matter whether it's software engineering, whatever, I mean in general, IT courses. If you have done, which course also do you think they are really, it's one of those courses which is really, very crucial in this world, and also the accounting and also health. Those courses and engineering, those 5 courses, they are very crucial. Okay, so if you look around what you can do, always start with these 5 courses, right? Business management, accounting, health, engineering, and computer science or IT. I'll just put it IT in general. Those 5 courses, don't understand, they are holding almost the world, right? Anyway, let me just leave it there before we go in areas that maybe we has not budgeted for. All right, so something is going on here, but I don't know. Just a moment. I don't know what happened. Okay, it's okay. Let me figure out myself here. Let me do something. Please stay tuned while I do something very important for the sake of this video, okay? I wasn't going to press that, but let me just... Alright, it's okay. We can move on now. Let's just move on with what we have. I thought I've managed to arrange everything accordingly. So it's okay. Let's come back to our slide. So how can we make money online with our BA Honors Business Management degree? How can we make money? Number 1, you can be an analytics. Okay? You can analyze the market. You can analyze the customers, how they behave and stuff like that. You can venture into number 2, e-commerce. E-commerce, guys. Right? Whereby you open online stores, you do affiliate marketing, and more. There's just a lot. And you can also do online consultant. By the way, I'll link my online store. Okay? So I hope I'll link it in the description of the video as well. It's one of those that I'll link so that you visit it. It's called Quality Brands. So you can go and find those brands because we like quality in our business, right? Online consultants. Yes, you can venture in online consultants, training on strategic management. We need to hear about strategic management, especially in this world of changing. The world is changing, IT is changing, everything is changing. So you have to be a strategic thinker to know that if this is, everyone now, are we not seeing businesses now? Everyone is looking for how can I incorporate AI in my business. Almost, that's the trend nowadays. You have to think strategically so that your business does not be left behind. So we need those people who will be teaching those strategic management. You can take that and offer an online course on that. Organizational development, project management. And also number 4, you can go into the entrepreneur business. You do the e-commerce, you do the digital products, publications of ebooks and stuff like that. Okay? You can go to the digital marketing expert. You can be a digital marketing expert. And it's one of those courses which I really like, digital marketing, especially nowadays. Yeah, I think I'll have to do it in a short course. So in that, you are going to be focusing on SEOs. That is the search engine optimization, how to optimize people's websites and stuff like that so that they can be ranked by the search engines. And also you can do the content creation, like I'm a content creator. can do that as well. So the air is all open for you. It's all open for you. Okay. So I think we can end this video here. There is a reason that why I want us to end this video. I will do other videos like, no, by the way, before we end, I will not end this video before we continue. Yes. So how are you going to achieve all that? Sorry. How are you going to achieve all those? I thought there's something that I thought maybe this information was, I didn't arrange it properly. So thanks. How are you going to achieve all that? All those things that I've spoken about. You don't know anything. We are offering you an international scholarship. We are serious about you. We are here to help you. I am your helper. I'm your sister. I'm, some of you, I'm your mother. So I'm here as your sister in the journey to offer help to you. So we are offering to you this international scholarship. Please take the opportunity and also pass the information to others. So this scholarship is what? 100% global, international, 100% online. And I'm going to give you this code. This is the code that I'm going to leave in the description of the video. Okay? So what do I expect? I expect you to take the code, copy and paste it in your browser and press enter and then go and sign up. That's what I'm expecting from you. And then you are signing up there. Right? You are going to choose from the universities you want to roll. We have universities from the UK, guys. We have universities from US, United States of America. And then we have universities from Africa. So you are going to choose this BA Honors Business Management. Where do you want to do it from? Okay? So that's a lot of, all right? That's almost unheard of. So we are giving this scholarship. What are we? 75%. You can be given up to 75% free. In other words, if the tuition fee was $100 US, they are going to pay $75 US for you for free. And then you are left with $25 US. I'm just giving it as an example so that you understand. What are you going to do now? They are going to offer you an option whereby you are going to pay that in installment. You are paying installment from the balance after they've cleared the big chunk. And then you pay monthly installment. And what am I offering? As for me, Gloria is here. I'm offering you another link for online job. So that for in case you are struggling with the 25% or whatever percentage that you will be left with, you can go and enroll for an online job and start paying. Okay? Go and sign up for that online job, and then they start doing what? They start paying you, and then you can also pay your school fees. So what are you waiting for, guys? Please belong. Let's grow this channel together. We are people's keepers. Every business is there because of a person. This channel is here because of you, because of me. All of us, we are responsible for it to grow. So please, let's grow this channel together for it to reach millions of people there. Make sure that you take the code and send it through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through whatever means to people in the village there who are looking for this scholarship. Okay? So please, make sure that you share our videos. Share the link with so many people so that they can take advantage of this. Comment positively. Thumbs up. And by the way, I want to tell you that the country that I'm coming from, I enjoyed my scholarship. We have free education. Let me put it that way. Free education from standard 1 up to the last. Nowadays is from kindergarten to the 4th year university. Free education. So I'm here as you know, as a helper to someone, as a destiny helper to someone. I'm offering this to say, I know there are people, there are countries out there in Africa, in Ukraine, in India, in wherever they are looking for such services in the villages of USA, you know, in Philippines, in whatever place. There are people who are looking for such. Please make sure that this code reaches to them. Tell them, copy and paste in your browser and sign up, and you will be covered for your scholarship and start learning. Okay? So there are also executive courses for the short courses. You can learn short courses as well. So you don't have any excuse at all. Not at all. I'm telling you. So before it's long, let's just congratulate you. I congratulate you guys in advance. This is how you'll be looking as you are graduating. To be so joyful, okay? So I want you to feel that mode, how it is when you are graduating. I remember I graduated my diploma, I graduated my degree. I'm now about to graduate my master's. Yes, it's so nice when you are in these gowns, right? So nice. I'm telling you, you feel like, ooh, yes. In advance, we are celebrating you. We know some of you are going to take the advantage, the opportunity. So again, let's partnership together again as we craft you a winning business proposal, portfolios and profiles for your brand, for your business, for your company. Yes, just drop us an email. You will be sorted. And remember, we do marketing publications. So send us an inquiry. Send us an inquiry for marketing publications. We will make sure that we do the best job for you. And so what can you do? Please comment. Please comment, say, I found a ransom and it's educational classics. A ransom is someone who pays you. We are paying you. We are paying for you, for your destiny. We are paying. Yes. So we are ransoming you guys. I found the link. You can say I made it. You have signed up. Say I made it. You can say I've shared with my Facebook. We'll appreciate. If you have shared with your Facebook, just comment. We'll appreciate. We are going to shout you in our next video and appreciate and celebrate you so much for sharing with your Facebook, for sharing with your WhatsApp groups, because we want that link to go to the billions, millions of people. Okay, now it's time for you to take a 30-second challenge. Check if you can do all this in 30 seconds. Ready, go. Subscribe, share, positive comment, like, hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a new one, you are the first to receive it, so that you can check whom are we celebrating in that moment. By the way, thank you so much for all the actions that you have done, subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing our videos and the link to your different networks. We appreciate you so much for that. For that, remember, we are modern online businesses, and we leave you with so much love. Lots of love, guys. Until we meet again, let's say goodbye and stay tuned. God bless.